Your boy back, you dig, man. We about to grub on something. I got some Jamaican food from Scotch Bonnet Kitchen. I think out in Ewing/Trenton. So we about to give this a shot. Scotch Bonnet Kitchen. So let's give this a shot, man. This the chicken Jamaican patty. Cabbage, beans and rice, jerk chicken, Scotch, Bonnet Kitchen, SBK. I think it's out in Ewing, Trenton. Me and my wife went there and got some food today. Gainz. Look at this, man. Gainz, champ. Let's dig in. Cabbage good. There's rice and beans, cabbage, and a jerk. Good. You try the rice and beans. This is really good. And it's the chicken. Let's see how it tastes. That's really good. This food is really good. Me and my wife got the same thing. It got a nice small kick to it. Not too spicy. It's just right. This is good. This is real good. The meat just fall off the bone. That bone. Bone, man. This is good. This food's so good. I'm putting my hand in it. Oh yeah, the chicken patty good too. And Scotch Bonnet Kitchen, they give you plenty of food. This is a lot of food. This is good. Mmm. Mmm. Boy, so good. This is good. For real. Eat fresh to refresh champ. Weekend. A nice chill meal, you know? This is good. This is good. You know what I'm saying? Gotta work out. Put your work in. And just do right, man. You know what I'm saying? The thing is, I don't let fitness stress me out because I know how much discipline that I practice. You know what I'm saying? A lot of y'all don't practice no discipline at all. Just stop it. And I don't want to hear it. You don't practice discipline at all, especially when it comes to food. Just stop it. You know what I'm saying? A lot of y'all don't practice no kind of discipline and don't got no kind of discipline. Let's go, champ. This food is good. This food is good. Good. I'm out.